How do you use a Gosky spotting scope at the shooting range? Have you ever wondered how to get the best view of your target at the shooting range? Using a Gosky spotting scope can make all the difference. Let's break down how to use this tool effectively. First, start by setting up your Gosky spotting scope on a stable tripod. This is essential for steady viewing. The Gosky model with a 20 to 60 times magnification is perfect for zooming in on your target. You can clearly see details at various distances, typically up to 300 yards. Position the scope behind your shooting spot. Aim it directly at the target. This allows you to observe shot placement without needing to walk downrange after each shot. It saves time and keeps your focus on improving your accuracy. Begin by using a lower magnification, around 20 times. This helps you locate your target easily. Once you have it in sight, you can increase the magnification to see bullet holes or splatter marks in detail. The large 80mm objective lens and back for Poro prism optics provide bright and clear images. This clarity is vital for identifying precise shot placements and groupings. As you adjust the magnification, use the dynamic lens focusing system to quickly fine-tune the clarity. This feature is handy, especially when you are switching between different magnifications. The tripod that comes with the Gosky scope is functional. However, if you want even better stability, consider pairing it with a more robust tripod. This is especially helpful when using higher magnifications, as it reduces image shake. Some shooters also use a smartphone adapter accessory. This allows you to capture photos or videos of your targets for later analysis. It's a great way to track your progress over time. Keep in mind that the Gosky spotting scope has a fixed zoom range. While it does not have interchangeable eyepieces, the zoom it offers is sufficient for most shooting range needs. It works particularly well for ranges up to 100 to 300 yards, making it ideal for rifle target shooting and archery practice. At higher magnifications, the field of view narrows. This helps you focus on small target details like bullet holes or arrow impacts. Using the Gosky spotting scope at the range involves a few simple steps. Mount it securely, locate your target at low magnification, zoom in to inspect shot placement, and adjust focus for the clearest view. This setup aids shooters and archers in evaluating their accuracy and making sight adjustments without the hassle of walking to the target after every shot.